see, it's so sunny and beautiful. I cannot even open my eyes properly. It's gorgeous. So it's day 2. We got up early. Everybody had breakfast. I forgot to film the breakfast. We had pancakes, baguettes, milk, whatever, tea and all that, but it was cool. We woke up late though because it was raining heavily yesterday night after the movie. We all slept like logs of wood because we were tired, but yeah, we slept till like 10 a.m. this morning, and then we woke up, had breakfast. Just been a lazy morning, and now we're about to go out and we'll see what we're gonna do today. But we want to start by swimming, then we'll look at the activities that they have in the holiday park and choose one. Yeah, come with us. Wait.
Oh,
we're waiting for that.
there is a swimming pool, Mom.
Playing ping pong, but with the wrong ball. Well, rub some cream on your face. Are you almost ready? Let me see your outfit, just your stand. Let me see, who helped you pick your outfit?
Gina.
Did you say thank you? Go back, I can't see.
Ballerina.
Yeah? Jessie, the ballerina is showing us her outfit. Lovely, well done, Gina. Oh, I actually picked it out. I packed the bag, didn't I? So credit goes to me too. So are we ready to go out, everybody?
Yep.
Yeah? Happy summer vibes, girl. I can't see my outfit. It's if you can see it, it's a yellow dungarees like thing. Is it a dungarees? Okay, JCL is correcting me. It's a dungarees, not dungarees like thing. Like I said, it's so hard to understand how to work this camera, but I'm learning. Trainers, Adidas trainers, nothing special.
Mom, I'm making tracks.
Yeah. Are you?
Yeah, look.
You're supposed to be leading us and showing us the way.
Oh yeah.
Time to go out. Where's my sunglasses? It's a sunny day. Really, Mom? Yeah. Are we going to get one of these? Yeah? I think you have to rent it, okay? Come on, let's go do that. Oh, so it's a mini golf. Jane are the golf people. Jaden, you got mini golf. Yeah. Outdoor pool. This is unlike the UK, but I don't know. Bowling, small park. I don't know. What kind of bowling they do at Caravan? Yes, yeah, we're gonna leave you. Come on, and that way is the pool. The pool looks really cool. And we're getting into the place you like the best, which is the what? Arcades. That's the favorite place where you like to finish your money. Wow, JCL, this is cool, yo. Yeah?
3 plates for £1, Mom.
What's that? What? These things are never.
3 plates for £1.
Yes, but 3 plates is very tricky. Give it to you so that you can pick one. That's the swimming pool. We're done with swimming. But I lost all my curls and I hate the fact that I don't have curls anymore. But yeah, it's still nice, isn't it? Yeah? Yeah, my body. Yeah. See how well it is.
Right now we're in the arcade, and yeah, we might come here later.
Yeah, that's my husband's jumper.
Dad, I can have it.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. Anything, you look good in the bin bag, yourself.
I will not get in the bin.
It's the same. It means you look good in everything. The packaging, but it's still the same thing. Let me see, what do you have? What? Seriously?
I love them.
That flavor sensation is good.
It's not?
Yes, it is.
Sweet
There's
chili
chicken and there's that have the same.
Souvenirs, yeah. See, the Jenna, you see this is cute. Unicorn slide.
David.
I was looking for a summer toy, something they could play with. Light bulb for the pool. Everything is unicorn. Sorry?
Oh, I've lost the other one, but I really
What is it? The bubble thing?
Yeah.
How much is it? Jamie, let me see, what did you find?
Let's see how
That's the
much.
birthday. Hey, did you get it, JCL? Let's see the price.
I got it from here. December 14th.
Okay, if you're looking for Jaden anywhere in the world, just go to a football pitch and you will see him. Even with all his denim. I feel bad to disrupt his football. Yay, go Jaden, show them what you mean. Jaden is dribbling himself. Whoa, go Jaden! Go! They said, do you want to go and play a little bit? Then you can do the bubbles when we get home, okay? Or in our caravan. Jamin is up there. You want to go over there? You want bubbles? The bubble mistress. JCL is the bubble mistress. Ooh, that's a good one. Wow, there you go. It's a cool one. I like it. Why is your top falling off? It's looking like an off-shoulder top. Did we really do need to get your charger to charge your Segway?
Yeah.
It's a shame that it's just sitting there. I think the pizza is ready.
Yeah.
Alright, get your plates. Anybody that wants to be healthy can have some salad with their pizza. They said they like a pizza. Yeah. I know mine is going to be good. I'm having spring rolls, chicken, and salad. Alright, both.
You're gonna get like on the head.
Wonder what? What are they running? Wine, you can never go wrong with wine. Snails, sausages, red wine, and Indomie. How JCL cuts her sausage? Sausages.
Be careful, your fingers right.
Scottish village girl. And then she uses a cutlery. Ooh. Okay, it's evening time. We're off to the entertainment center for some nighttime party.
All the people next week will be lucky because next week we're gonna have like really hot.
Sorry.
Trying to hide it, baby. Can I have this dance?
Let's get this party started!
La 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 la. Do you think I should, boys and girls? My princess, will you marry me? Do you think I should marry the prince, boys and girls? Then yes!
Oh, sister, I do love a happy ending, don't you? Yeah, there's really nothing like it.
And when I know had to have high hopes for a living, shooting for the stars when I couldn't make a killing. Didn't have a dime, but I always had a vision. Always had high hopes for a living. Didn't know how much.
Welcome back. Was that fun? Yeah, I saw you. I did a little video, but it was your back I was getting. Oh, Jaden, that's your groove. How about this thing is tricky? Have to pick up one of the toys here. Go left or right. You have 3 shots, so don't waste it. Ooh. Oh. Okay, man. How did it? It didn't go well. Did you get your 3 shots though?
Yeah.
The last time you actually picked one.
I know.
You Finally, she did really pick one. It went up, then it dropped. I've never seen somebody win these things. Oh, what's in this one? Okay. Wow, good job, girl. Princess Rapunzel, are you winning, huh? Well done. Are you? Jen, are you okay? Wow.
We spent our money well.
There you go. Walk it. Really good. Well done, JCL. Big walk it. Woo! Go, JCL. Let her do it.
Should we add this to there?
Yeah, you can add. Oh, you let them do this.
Take it out.
Wow. Okay, but it's good. I'm gonna have very hyper children. Look at the number of sweeties you had. Open your mouth, J-Man. Oh, that's a massive blue one. Your tongue is gonna be blue. Why the fools fall in love?